All right, here I have a 2024 Acura MDX with a 3.5 liter engine. I'm gonna show how to take off the air filter. You have three 8mm bolts right here, and then when you loosen those up, you kind of lift up and then push out on this thing. And then when you put it back on, it has three tabs, as you can see here. And then it has like a little intake boot right here. You want to make sure that their tabs go in there, and then the circle part goes inside that rubber. And then when you put it back on, it kind of has this like a longer tab at the back. And you want to make sure that faces the back, kind of like this. Because if you put it in the other way, kind of like I did over here with this tab, the longer tab towards the front, it's not going to go on. All right, so you want to make sure that goes in the back. Here's a couple of part numbers that you can use to get your air filter. I usually like to use Rock Auto, but if you want to get the OEM one, this is the part number here for the OEM filter. And then there is a air filter reset. So you're going to come here to your radio, and then you're going to use this little trackpad. You're going to slide to the side. You're going to go to settings, click on that, and then you're going to go down to vehicle. I was kind of having trouble with this, but go down to vehicle and then click it, and then go down, and you'll find maintenance information, and then there's your air filter reset. So you're going to click on air filters. So you click on that and then go down to reset. Click reset right there when it's red, and then click OK again. It'll say reset. I kind of didn't show it because I was trying to use this trackpad, but it'll say reset. So you click on reset, and then it'll ask reset air filters, and you press reset again. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to help you out.